Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 9, Heritage Management. Yesterday we have seen about oral sources and material sources of history, and there means necessary training. Okay, means and what include in the written material and oral sources. Yesterday also we means material sources include the means that artifacts, collecting artifacts and classify according to their historical date. Means artifacts, it is mostly related to material sources. Okay, artifacts means tool, equipments, weapons. Okay, means such as tool, weapon and ornaments are there. Now what necessary training is required for to means conserve and preserve the material sources of history. Now basic knowledge of archaeological method and theory, history of ancient civilization. There should be need of basic knowledge of archaeological method and theory. Okay, मतलब जो archaeological method है archaeology means पुरातत्व मेथड पद्धत. ओके, और जो थियोरी है सिद्धांत है उसके बारे में जानकारी चाहिए. History of ancient civilization. Also they should be know about the history of ancient civilization like Harappan civilization. Okay, or Sindhu Sanskriti. Then next is knowledge of the regional sources of material like stones, minerals, metals and clay used in the production of artifacts and their chemical properties. Means they should be know. Means this person should be know the regional sources of material like stones. Means which type of stones are there, which types of mineral or which type of metal or which use to prepare the artifacts. Okay, and their chemical properties also they want to know, because after cleaning these it should be know about means the chemical properties. Okay, and then knowledge of equipment and chemical necessaries for the cleaning of artifacts and other chemical processes. They should be know the knowledge of chemical. Okay, and means chemical, which chemical is necessary for to clean the artifacts. Okay, and some other chemical processes. They also know about various schools and styles of arts and their development. They also know about the various schools and styles of the arts. Okay, and their developments, how the styles of art is developed. Okay, and which school is related to the style of art, it should be know about this. Then knowledge and skill of making replicas of artifacts and fossils. I mean they should be know how to make the replicas or models of this artifact. If this artifact is not in good condition, there that time there is need to be made the replicas or exact copy of these artifacts, and that's why they should be know about the skill. They should be means need to be skill of the how to make the replicas. Then knowledge of various approaches of managing exhibition in museum, galleries and information technology. They should be know various means different approaches, means how to manage the exhibition in museum or in galleries and information technology. Also though they should be know about the information technology, because this data is saved in the computer, and that's why they should be know in the these various methods of information technology. And then last, writing research reports and articles. They should be means write the research report or article, publish the articles or research report in the newspaper like this way. Then next point is like this way: material source, oral source and written source. It is very important for the exam. Means any one from this, it is definitely come for the exam. That's why you have to prepare this properly. Then next, some famous museums. Museums were created to organize and manage the antiquities collected by members of royal and elite families of medieval Europe. Means museums were created to organize and manage the antiquities. Antiquities means different type of equipments, okay, different type of arts, paintings. It means which are collected by the members of royal families, okay, royal or king's families of the medieval Europe. Then see, first is Louvre Museum, France. First is Louvre Museum in France, okay. Means these are the museums in medieval period of Europe. Now what is Louvre Museum, France? The Louvre Museum in Paris was established in the 18th century CE. Means Louvre Museum, because these are related to medieval period, and that's why means it is related to 18th century CE. Antiquities collected by the royal family were exhibited in the Louvre Museum, and these antiquities mean different type of antiquities, art, equipments, or okay, material, written, that collected by the members of the, which are collected by the royal family, and these antiquities exhibited in the Louvre Museum. It included the much acclaimed painting of Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci. There is a painting, means acclaim means express a great value, okay, express a great value. Means there is a painting of Mona Lisa which is means which are in the Louvre Museum, okay, and which is means painted by the Leonardo da Vinci, the world renowned artist. He was the world renowned artist. He worked under the patronage of Francis. Means he worked under the patronage. Patronage means support of Francis I. Francis I is the king of France. The king of France in the 16th century. He was the king of France in 16th century. Okay. The collection in the Louvre Museum increased to a great extent because of the antiquities brought back by Napoleon Bonaparte from his conquest. Presently, the museum contains more than 3,80,000 artifacts. Means this museum also contains different type of antiquities, okay, means artifacts brought back by Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon Bonaparte, he was the Empire of France, okay, and means many artifacts related to Napoleon Bonaparte which contain in the Louvre Museum. And now the museum contain more than 3,80,000 artifacts. इस म्यूजियम में अभी 3,80,000 आर्टिफैक्ट्स है, मतलब कलात्मक थिंग्स है जो लूर्वा म्यूजियम फ्रांस में. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज ब्रिटिश म्यूजियम इंग्लैंड. The British Museum in London was established in the 18th century CE. Sir Hans Sloane, a natural scientist, handed over about 71,000 objects in his collection to the King of England. The British Museum in London was established in 18th century CE. It's like Louvre Museum. Sir Hans Sloane, a natural scientist, handed over about 71,000 objects. Means Sir Hans Sloane, he was a natural scientist who handed over about 71,000 objects in the collection to the King of England, George II. Means he handed over the 71,000 objects to the George II of George II, who was the King of England. It included several books, pictures, specimens of preserved plants, means herbarium plants. Okay, means there are several books, there are several pictures, also there is specimen, means copy of preserved plants. Later, the collection was expanded by addition of various art objects and ancient artifacts collected by the British people from British colonies. Presently, the museum collections comprises about 80 lakh objects. Means presently the museum collections there are comprises means made up of 80 lakh objects are there. Okay, how many objects? 80 lakh object. Okay, like this way British Museum. And then National Museum of Natural History, United States of America, that we will learn tomorrow. Okay, thank you.